How to fix Bluetooth not working in Moto G Stylus. First of all, turn on or turn off Bluetooth open setting. Scroll down, click on connected device, click on connection preferences, click on Bluetooth, and now here you will see Bluetooth button. And if you want to turn on Bluetooth, then turn on this button. After turning on this button, turn on Bluetooth from your phone. And if you want to turn off Bluetooth, then turn off this button. After turning off this button, turn off Bluetooth from your phone. Now go back. After that, clear Bluetooth cache, open setting, scroll down, click on apps. Now here you will see app select. Go back, click on three dots more option, click on show system apps and search Bluetooth app. Now click on Bluetooth, scroll down, click on storage and cache. Now here you will see clear cache, and if you want to clear cache, then click on clear cache. After click on clear cache, Bluetooth will be clear cache from your phone. Now go back. After that, restart device, swipe down, open quick setting panel, click on power off icon and click on restart. After click on restart, restart your device. Now go back. After that, reset network setting, open settings, scroll down, click on system, click on reset options, click on reset mobile network setting and again click on reset mobile network setting. All setting will be mobile network setting will be reset from your phone. This is how you can fix Bluetooth not working in Moto G Stylus. I hope so you like this video and thanks for watching this video.